Capture the first rate, sectoral rotation seems to be the operating word, and then you've got the Nifty, which is trading with a positive bias. It's not a grand start, but it is a decent start nevertheless. The breadth, I think, is looking absolutely phenomenal. The small and mid-cap stocks are suddenly eking out better gains. 0.5% up for Nifty, 0.25% up for the Nifty, but almost 0.75% for the small cap index. The bank Nifty also in line with Nifty. You know, the whole view of banks coming back, I think, is getting challenged again and again, largely because of technical factors. HDFC Bank off to a good start, and Axis Bank is also off to a good start. Reliance, now the numbers were not that great, but the collateral damage in the stock is so large that it is not reacting to earning downgrades. And that's Reliance for you, which will just come up on your screen, 0.5% down. HCL Tech, it's a good number, but the stock is at a record high, which in a sense is ensuring that the reaction is just not there. Then let's look at Adani group of companies, which again of late have been jammed, and then we look at some of the ranked mid-cap stocks, the Vodafone and the Suzlons and the Yes Banks of the world. But for the moment, there is no large real price mover at play. Little bit here, little bit there, but nothing big in terms of a meaningful mover or a meaningful driver.
Angel One, that clearly is your star performer today. What a move. Gap up start on that stock, nearly touching that 7% gain. Actually even climbed up higher than that. It's on its way to that 8% gain mark. Fabulous numbers. The Q2 margins have expanded all the way to 44.4%, and the profit as well have seen an uptick of about 45% on a sequential basis. Angel One now at 2,900 rupee plus a stock. Reliance, of course, a very tempered move there, 0.6% lower. HCL Technologies, wherein the Q2 numbers were above estimates. The lower end of the guidance as well has been revised upwards, but very meager again on HCL Technologies. What are OMCs and paint companies doing? Considering the Brent fall that we've seen, it's now sub the $76 per barrel mark. HPVP IOC holding up in the green, and some of the paint names, Asian, Berger, etc., also should be holding out well. There's, of course, news flow as well on RK Forgings. UBS has initiated a buy with a target price of $1,500 on this one. Federal Bank, Citi has opened that 90-day positive catalyst watch on this stock. JSW Infra, they're looking to develop a port in Palghar district of Maharashtra. So look out for some of these stocks. They're definitely going to be in focus. What about the big movers from yesterday? Oberoi Realty, Wipro, TechM, they were all holding out very smartly. Some of these names are consolidating a little bit. Oberoi Realty is tempered, so is Wipro, and TechM also, perhaps.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.
Hyundai Motor India Limited now proposes an initial public offering of its equity shares. The 100% book-built offer is being offered at a price band of Rs 1,865 to Rs 1,960 per equity share of face value of Rs 10 each. The anchor investor offer period opens and closes on Monday, October 14th, 2024. Offer opens on Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Offer closes on Thursday, October 17th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the red herring prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, BRLMs and the stock exchanges.